So I got this really cool licking bowl right here. The company just sent this out to me for my dogs to try out. Really cool. Nice little bowl for your dog for slow feeding. Add some bone broth, which is what I did. Just add some bone broth in there. The ball spins around. Puts the broth flavor onto the ball. And your dog will enjoy licking it. Really cool there. So let me show you the design of it here. So first off, let's see, it has 2 suction cups on the bottom, which is really nice so that when your dog licks it, the bowl doesn't move. So this top piece can be removed. And then inside you add your, so I just added bone broth. You can add whatever you like. Add yogurt or other flavored treats for your dog in there. And then this ball just floats in there. And then you just press this back on there. And then spin that around. Puts the broth and whatever onto the ball. And then your dog will enjoy licking it. So you can see, just gave that to my dog and he really enjoys licking that. So if you are in need of something like this, definitely check this one out. Your dogs will love it.